Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. This is Bear and in this video we will learn Azure Active Directory Basics, now called Microsoft Entra ID. You will understand what it is, how it works, and we will also do a step-by-step demo inside the Azure portal. This is a beginner friendly video, so I will explain every concept in a very simple way. Let's get started. Azure Active Directory or Microsoft Entra ID is Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service. It stores your users, their passwords, their permissions and control who can access which apps. Think of it like a central ID system in the cloud. Just like a national ID system verifies identity, Azure Active Directory verifies users and apps before allowing access. A tenant is your directory. It contains your users, groups, apps, and identity settings. A subscription is for billing and for creating Azure resources like VMs, storage, or networks. A simple way to understand tenant is identity container, subscription is resource container. A tenant can exist without a subscription, but a subscription cannot exist without a tenant. Azure AD has a few important objects. First, users. These are people who sign in. Second, groups. These are collections of users used to manage permissions easily. Third, applications, app registration. Apps that want to use Azure login need an identity here. Fourth, manage identities, automatic identity for Azure services without any password. Fifth, roles, administrative permissions like global admin, user admin, etc. In simple words, users and groups represent people and app registration represent applications that need identity. Azure AD supports different ways to authenticate: password, passwordless login, multi-factor authentication, single sign-on. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring your phone along with your password. Single sign-on means you log in once and get access to multiple apps, and the most powerful feature is conditional access. These are rules that decide who can sign in based on conditions like location, device, or risk level. Some advanced features require Entra ID P1 or P2 licenses. Free is basic identity, P1 is conditional access plus multi-factor authentication policy plus advanced security. P2 risk-based conditional access plus identity protection. There are two related identity models, B2B business to business, invite external or partner users into your directory. Second, B2C business to customer, allows your customers to sign in to your app using Google, Facebook or their email. In short, B2B is guest users, B2C is customer login for your app. In Azure portal, search for Microsoft Entra ID. This is the new name for Azure Active Directory. Click on Microsoft Entra ID. Your tenant is your identity home. It stores all users, groups, and apps. Now go to Users. Click on New User. Select Create New Users. Give a name, username, and select a temporary password. Every new user must change their password at first sign in. To create a user, click on Review and Create so your user will be created. Go to Groups. Click on New Group. Choose a security group and add your user into it. Name your group. Now click on Create. This will create your group. Group make management simple. Instead of giving permissions to multiple users one by one, you give permissions to the group. Now go to Rules and Administrators. Pick any role, for example user administrator, and assign it to your group. Always assign admin roles to groups, not to individual users. This keeps your identity environment clean and secure. Go to App Registration. Click on New Registration. Give the app a name and create it. This creates an identity for the application. You can think of this as giving the app its own ID card so it can authenticate securely. Go to Security. Expand Protect. Click on Conditional Access. Require multi-factor authentication for all administrators. Always start in a report-only mode to see how the policy behaves before enforcing it. This helps prevent accidental logout. If you have on-premises Active Directory, you can sync your users to Azure using Azure AD Connect. Click on Microsoft Entra Connect. This creates hybrid identity, meaning users have the same username and password in both environments. Now let's discuss some best practices. Enable a multi-factor authentication for all users. Use conditional access for zero trust. Assign roles to groups, not users. Use manage identities instead of app password. Monitor sign-ins for risk. Test policies in a report-only mode first. So that's it, the complete overview of Azure Active Directory or Microsoft Entra ID, including tenant, users, groups, roles, app registration, multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and hybrid identity. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Digital IT Lab. Thanks for watching. This is Baz. See you in the next video.